Okay, guys, we are live. Sorry, my kids are in the background. They're home today. 11:24 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 8th day of Christmas. The sheet here, the 8th day. Oops. Hold on a second here. What's going on here? There we go. Names in. We're in the clubhouse. We're going to go 3 times, guys. Good luck. 11:24 a.m. Eastern. First random. 11:24 Eastern a.m. Second random. Final random. 11:24 a.m. Eastern. We've gone 2 times. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Mike Cullett, you won the 8th day of Christmas. So that's 3 times. Mike, time 11:25 a.m. Eastern. Oops, wrong spot. Put it here before I forget, guys. Just give me a second. There we go. We are done. Time 11:25 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.